Hello Joomla user. Have you ever lost work that you've put a lot of time into? Maybe you spent all day working on a new sales page and forgot to hit save and then your computer crashed. Or maybe a disgruntled employee decided to wreak havoc on your website and you don't know how to fix it. Hi, I'm Nate Woodbury of Wallaby, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple of ways to back up a Joomla website. I'll first show you how to back everything up manually, and then I'll show you a cheap service I discovered and use myself that does it automatically for me. However you do it, I highly recommend that you at least periodically create a backup of your website. It's like an insurance policy if anything bad should happen to your website. Imagine what problems it would cause if you lost your website and had to start over. There are two parts to a Joomla website. There's the website files and the database. Now that's what's a really cool thing about having a website built in Joomla, is that your content is separate from the actual website files, template, and design. That means that if you ever want to completely redesign your website, you won't have to redo the content. Okay, let's jump right in. Once you've logged into your cPanel, backing up your website is pretty simple once you know where to look. If you're a Wallaby web design client and you've forgotten your cPanel login info, just be sure to include that in your next support ticket and we can send you your logins again. The first thing we're going to do is back up all the website files. If you know how to use FileZilla, you can use that as well, but in this video we're going to use the file manager that's within your cPanel. Just click on File Manager, select the Home Directory option, and click Go. The folder that contains all our website files is called public HTML. To download it as one file, we need to compress it as a zip file. Find public HTML from the list, do a right click and select Compress. Then select Zip Archive and press the Compress Files button. After a few moments, a new zip folder will appear in the list, and then you can right click on it and choose to download it into your computer. Okay, part 1 is done. Now we need to back up the database. We're back in our cPanel. Just scroll down to the database section and click on PHP My Admin. At the left, select the database for your website. It'll probably be named similarly to your cPanel username or domain name. Then click on Export at the top. Unless you know what you're doing here, I suggest selecting the Quick option and pressing Go. That's it. Your database file is now downloaded to your computer. Once you've done it, it's not that hard. What's more difficult though is remembering to do it regularly. A service that I found that is cheap and does this automatically for me is called Backup Machine. I'll include a link of it below. They even have a free option. If you click on Packages up at the top, you'll see what they have to offer. I personally use their daily backup option. What's also nice about this service is they will restore your website to a previous version if you need to. It's quite nice. I hope you learned something here, and I hope you start backing up your Joomla website regularly. If you've watched the video to this point, I'd like to offer you a free gift. Many know me for my expertise in helping experts pull in a ton of magnetic traffic to their website. I created an e-course called The Treasure Map to Magnetic Traffic. By putting your name and email in the form below, I'll give you full access to this e-course for free. I'm Nate Woodbury from Wallaby. You have an influential day.